Let's start with the very basic questions first. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2 by 3 by 4. Then find the angles of triangle. Okay, so ratio is given. Angles are given in the form of ratio, that 2 by 3 by 4. Right? So let's take triangle ABC just for an understanding. Right? So let's say A, B and C. Right? So whenever we have ratio, we always take the value as what? 2x, then here 3x, and here 4x, right? So let's write here, let angle A is equal to 2x, angle B is equal to 3x, and finally angle C is equal to 4x, right? So we have three values, three angles, right? Now what are we going to do? We are going to apply the property, right? Now remember, don't apply the exterior angle theorem over here. We don't have exterior angle. You need to identify based on the figure, are we having interior angles or are we having exterior angles? So we are only having interior angles. So apply that theorem. So angle sum property, angle sum property of triangle, right? So what we can write, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So let's substitute the values. We have, let's say, 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. This is linear equation in one variable. We have x, 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 right? Simple. Add them up. You are going to get 9x is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 degree over 9. So 9 ones are and 20 is a very simple calculation it is. So value of x is 20 degree. This is not the final answer. We want all the three angles, right? So let's start over here. That first we have angle A is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 20, that is 40 degree. Then angle B is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 20, that is 60 degree. Then finally angle C, that is 4x. So here we have 4 multiplied by 20, that is 80 degree, right? So these are the three angles, which is 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree. You add as well and see that are you actually getting 180 degree or not. We can identify the mistake. That's the basic idea, right? 6 and 4 makes 10 and 10 and 8, 18, 1 0 extra, so 180 degree. This is very basic question. You have the ratios, right? You take 2x, 3x, 4x, add them up and you get the value of x and multiply to get the value of the angle. Let's move to the next question. Let's start with one more question. The angles of a triangle are x minus 40 degree, x minus 20 degree, x upon 2 minus 10 degree. Find the value of x and then the angles of a triangle. So we have three angles. Let's take x, y, z this time. So angle x is equal to, we can take x minus 40 degree, angle y is equal to x minus 20 degree, and finally angle z is x upon 2 minus 10 degree. So again, there is nothing mentioned like exterior angle, so use only for the interior angle. Let's talk about angle sum property of triangle, right? Let's add angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. Let's substitute the value, x minus 40 plus x minus 20 plus x by 2 minus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Minus 40 minus 20 minus 10, and here x and x will make, let's say, 2x plus here x by 2 and here 40, then 60 and 70. So minus 70 is equal to 180 degree. This we will shift over that side. That's very simple to do. Now here 2x plus x by 2. In this case, we need to take the LCM here by 2. So here 2 2s are, that will be 4x plus x. Remember very carefully, and common denominator 2 over here because we have taken LCM, and 70 over that side. So 180 minus 70 will become plus 70. Very careful, right? Now let's solve further. 4x and plus x, that's going to make 5x. Denominator 2, that is now 180 plus 70, that will be 250 degree, right? 2 will go into numerator and 5 will go into denominator. So x is equal to 250 multiplied by 2, denominator 5. Now 5 ones are 5, 50s are. Now 50 into 2, that is what? 100 degree, right? And x is equal to 100 degree. We got the value of x, right? So we need to find the angles as well. Not only x is not our final answer, we need to move further. So let's find the value of x. So angle x is equal to x minus 40 degree. So here 100 degree minus 40 will be what? 60 degree. So that's the first angle. Angle y is equal to x minus, I hope, yes, it is 20 degree only. So 100 degree minus 20 degree, that is 80 degree. And finally angle z is equal to x by 2. So 100 by 2, let's write here x by 2 minus 10. So x by 200 by 2 is 50 minus 10, that is 40 degree. So three angles are what? We have 60 degree, 80 degree and 40 degree, and value of x is 100 degree. This is similar to the question that we did previously, nothing much. Here we have the three angles given. Solve properly, remember the fraction, solve the correct way, get the value of x and get the value of the angles. Let's move to the next question. Let's do one more question. We have the figure in the question and we need to find the value of x. Let's look at the question and find the conditions which are given over here. In the given figure, if PQ parallel RS, this PQ is parallel to RS. So let's mention that it's given PQ parallel RS and find the value of x. X is missing, so we need to find the value of x. How shall we approach it? Right now onwards, remember one thing, that we need to use all the property that we learned so far in the chapter about the properties of parallel lines, right, and transversal angles, corresponding angles, AIA, IASS, AXA, everything you can use it along with the properties of the angles, right? So let's start. So it is given PQ parallel RS. So PQ parallel RS. Can you see what kind of angle is it forming? Right? It is Z. So AIA. Let's start with that part, that PQ parallel RS, and always mention alternate interior angles. So what can we write? QPS. Let's write angle QPS is equal to, see, if we draw this Z, it will look something like this. So what angle it is here? That is PSR is equal to angle PSR. Here the value is 33 degree. So what will be the value of angle PSR? That is 33 degree. So this is 33 degree. Now see, let's give this point as name O. Now see over here, for this triangle, this closed triangle, out of this we have two angles and one angle is missing. So that's very simple to do that. Angle sum property of the triangle. So let's apply the angle sum property. For triangle, first of all, mention triangle ORS. Triangle ORS, angle sum property. Angle sum property. Right? So what we can write here, let's write the sum of the three angles, that is 37 degree plus x plus 33 is equal to what? 180 degree. If you add them up, let's see what do we get. I think we are going to get 70 degree. Okay, so 70 degree it is, and here 180 degree. Let's shift over that side. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So x is equal to 110 degree. So that is the value of x. Very simple, but interesting and important as well at a time, because we use the parallel line property, AIA, alternate interior angles, and also angle sum property. So in examination, this kind of questions are very common, where you need to use both properties in the same sum, right? Property for the triangle and property of the transversal as well. So this is how we combine both properties and find the value of the missing angle. Let's do one more problem related to relation between the angles. Let's start with the question. One angle of a triangle is 65 degree. So triangle has three angles. Out of that, one is given 65. If the difference of the remaining angle is 45 degree. So the two angles are there and the difference between them is given, that is 45 degree. Then find the remaining angles. Okay. So let's start. Let's take triangle ABC. Just for the understanding, A, B and C. Let's say this is 65. If I take, and there is a one relation given, the difference between angle B and angle C is what? 45 degree. So how can we take it? If I take this angle as x degree, what will be the value of this angle, right? This will be greater than 45 degree, because if I subtract them, I'm going to get what? 45 only. So let's start here. For triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 65 degree, angle B is equal to x degree, and angle C is equal to x plus 45 degree, right? It's a case of interior angles. So let's apply angle sum property. Angle sum property. So what we can do? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Now let's substitute the values. Angle A is 65 degree, angle B is x degree, and angle C is x plus 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. Again, this is linear equation in one variable. You have x here. Simplify and get the answer. So x and x will make 2x. Here 4 and 6 makes 100, 10 and 5 and 5, one more. So 110 is equal to 180. Let's shift over that side. So 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So 2x is equal to 70 degree. X is equal to 70 degree by 2, that is 35 degree. So value of x is 35 degree. Simple. Now, is this what we wanted to find? X is equal to 35? No, we wanted to find the angle B and angle C, remaining angles. So x is equal to 35, that's the value of angle B. Now we want to find the angle C. So let's write here that angle B is equal to x is equal to 35 degree, and angle C is equal to x plus 45 degree it is. So 35 degree plus 45 degree. So we have 85 and 5, 0, carry over 1. Yes, it is 80 degree. C, angle C is equal to 80 degree. So what are the remaining angles? This is 35 degree and another is 80 degree. This is very simple, like the previous questions that we discussed. We have the relation, take one angle 65, any of it. Name you can take any, then 65, one angle is x, another is x plus 45 degree. Now angle sum property, so addition of all of them, right? So substitute the value, get the value of x, and again read your assumptions and get the value of the remaining angle. So this is how we get the values of the remaining angles.